Okay guys, I'm about to make a tutorial on how to do the side over edge cards that everyone keeps asking about. I know this is super ghetto, but I have a TV monitor as my computer monitor, and unfortunately there's no mic on there, so I have to do the video this way. It's really simple, I promise you. So what you're going to do first is you want to go to shapes and you want to grab the square. And we're going to make the square 8.5. We're going to do 8.5 by 7. Okay, let me make it smaller so you all can see. Okay, and my cards are red, so we're going to do 8 by 7, 8.5 by 7, sorry. Once you get your square, you're going to grab your photo of choice, and I'll just use this one. So once you get your photo, you don't want to make the card larger than 10 inches wide. You can, but you don't want to make it too big because you want it to be able to fit in the envelope. So you grab your image that you want to use. Make sure you remove the background from your image because it just looks better. So once you grab your image, you can size it to whatever size you want to size it to. Just make sure it doesn't go over 10 inches. And then you just select the square in your image and you're going to align to bottom. And what I did with my cards, I don't have a scoring stylus, so I took a screenshot of the actual score, the little score line. I took a screenshot of it, and I just take that. You don't have to do this. This is just what I do because I don't have a scoring stylus. And I take that and I align it to the middle or center vertically, and then I'll do align to center. Okay, and it'll show you the center of your card when you go to fold it. So right now this is 10.295 inches wide, which I think it's fine. So what I'll do is I'll go ahead and move my picture closer to that score line. So let's do align to bottom again. And then let's see, align, center. Okay. Make it a little larger with align to bottom. Just however you want, whatever you like to do for your card. Okay, so this is where a lot of people get confused. So once you get the sizing of your card where you want it to be, you want to click on the image and you want to duplicate it. Move that to the side. I'm going to take this and I'm going to slice, just because I want that. Slice that score line on there. So move this back to the front, send the front, align to bottom, and then what you're going to do is align to bottom, and then you're going to weld that, okay? So that way when you go to put your image on top of your card, it fits right on top of there, okay? Align to bottom, align to right. And then that's how you make the card. So I'm using my foil cardstock, and on the back of that foil cardstock is brown, which I don't like. So I made a duplicate of that image and I mirrored it, and I made that red. just so the inside of my card will be red. And I actually have the card that I made. One second. Let's see if I can find it. It's actually right here. And so this turned into this. She wanted that on the front of the card. I just used vinyl. And then on the inside, she didn't want nothing on the inside of her card, so I just left it plain. And then if you look right here, you can see the cut file that I used to make the score line in the middle of the card. And that's really all you do, honestly. That's it. And they turn out really, really, really cute. Super cute. But yeah, that's all you do. Make your card 8.5 by 7. Get your image. Make sure you remove the background of your image. Align it to where you want it. Weld. Well, duplicate your image first, then weld. And that's basically all you do. This is a print and cut. So once you click make it, it shows you that it's a print and cut image. So you just do a print and cut it out with your Cricut, and you get your card.